Alright everyone, what is up? Welcome to this channel. It's gonna be primarily my car vlogging, car media channel. So for the first vlog ever on this channel, me and my friend Jared, you know, the blue Lancer, he recently got a red Subaru WRX. Right now we are headed over to iJDMtoy to pick up his third brake light, and there he is.
Hey,
look at that illuminate. Show off that illuminate.
Shout out to Randy.
So let's go ahead, head there right now. Alright y'all, we just arrived at iJDMtoy. Whew, Jared's already dying, and we're just gonna pick up a F1 rear brake light. I didn't know. We're gonna pick up this one right here.
How you doing? Hey, I'm looking for this right here. That one. That's your code? Yeah.
Cool stuff. Gotta hashtag them once we install it.
That's basically it.
Boom, he finally got that rear F1 light.
Hey, I'm happy.
Time to install it at his place. Yeah. Oh, it's pretty good. You know, if you guys need any of your lighting materials, just come to iJDMtoy. I'll leave a link down in the description below, as well as what he got. It's the same function as mine. Once you tap your brake light, it's gonna strobe 3 times, so it can piss off the driver behind you. You know, that's the best feature of all. Alright. Right?
Woo! What happened, Ryan?
I'm cheap. I need to get new bulbs. I need to on the freeway.
Oh shit! My bad.
Temporary fix 3M tape. Oh my goodness. Don't be cheap like me, because this is what's gonna happen.
Quote of the day, don't be cheap. Oh look, a Honda.
Hopefully that holds until I get home or something. That's not gonna hold. Alright, we're good for now.
Oh, back on the road. Oh shit, muffler's hot.
Duh. So we are at Jared's garage. Boom, he's already doing everything right now. Popping up all the pop clips, you know, to get to this thing right here. But she had to do a lot of stuff. But yeah, there's already a lot of tutorials on YouTube explaining how to do this. So let's knock this out and install this real quick. Getting the fog light mounted up, just like that. Now it's time to wire this up. Now to make this part where the wire feeds through, back here, I'm gonna go ahead and make it cleaner for him. So that rubber piece that you take off, I cut a little cross So we could just put the wire right through the rubber piece, and it makes it look cleaner.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm sure. Using
give me that
Subi
shit.
Speed tutorials. Let's
What
do
did you
this.
say? Yellow to brown?
I hope so.
All the T-tap connectors installed, we can start connecting the wires. Yellow wire is gonna go to brown.
Yellow to brown. Yellow to brown. Now give me the green.
Yellow to brown, not green.
We don't have yellow.
Oh yeah, are you sure it's green?
Oh, the green. Slide it into
Yeah, halfway.
halfway,
Yeah.
and then cut the end off, right?
Yeah, wherever the thing goes. So quick things using T-tap connections like this one right here. Come on, focus on it. Like this one, if you can't separate it well enough, just use a flat head through the middle and you could separate it there. So for wiring purposes, if you guys don't know, it's gonna be black to black. In our case, it's gonna be green. Some of you guys might have yellow, but that's gonna go to our brown. And then the last one, which is red, is gonna go to our black with the white striped wire on the Subaru WRX. Just saying, you know, this is a 2018 model. Same for everything, but still different, but still same. Last one going in. Cool. After this, we're just gonna test if it actually works, if we wired everything correctly. Yeah.
Work?
Nope.
Go back. Did it work? These ones are working?
Yeah, those work.
Huh?
Nope. Small little problem on the T-taps, it's not making clear connection. We already used pliers and clamped it down all the way. So what now Jared's gonna do is he's gonna do it manually. Wire to wire, that type of thing, like hijacking a car. Carjacking. That type of wiring. So let's hope this thing works. We got it all wired up manually. Now let's try. Go ahead. Yay! There you go.
Let me see. Blinks too? Blinks too? Good? How come it doesn't hyper flash? Or blink? It doesn't do that? You want to take a look at this?
So everything works now. The only verdict and outcome that we got was, you know, on your headlights, when you click it up, it's gonna blink, but when you have it down, when it's like daytime, it's just gonna be solid when you do your brakes. Damn, look at that rear. Dang.
Going down. Alright boys, made it to Vegas. Vegas day one. Woo! Turn up. Just kidding.
I don't know, I'm some random guy.
Oh shit, is the camera in here?